Tips and tricks for a great camping trip. There is nothing more fun than camping. One of the most important things to consider when camping is where to set up camp. Not all camping spots are created equal, and the choice you make about your camping spot could make your experience either good or bad. Here is a bit of advice that can help you choose a good camping spot. When packing for your camping trip, do not forget chairs and a radio. One of the best parts of camping is sitting around the campfire. You could sit on an old log, but why bother when you can pack chairs and be comfortable? The radio is for entertainment sitting around the fire. An even better idea is to bring your guitar for a sing-along. Did you know that a simple mirror can save your life? If you are camping and end up in a survival situation, a simple handheld mirror can be used to signal for help many miles away. Do not buy the standard glass mirror. Many camping supply stores sell mirrors made of Lexan that will float and are practically unbreakable. Prior to leaving, take a few minutes to make a checklist of everything that you need. There is nothing worse than getting to a campsite and then finding out that you don't have what you need to be comfortable. A checklist is a great aid as you are packing. Try to start getting things together several days before you leave so you have plenty of time. Hopefully after watching the advice in this video, you have a clearer idea of where to set up your next camping spot. Remember, where you choose to set up camp can be the factor that determines if your trip will be fun or not, so choose wisely and prepare for the experience of a lifetime. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.